Jai Gurudev, my name is Chaitanya. I am from 6th standard. Today my project is about aging of trees. Have you ever wondered how to calculate the age of the tree? You know it is possible. A tree stores its history in its trunk. A cross section of a tree can tell you the age of the tree and as well as the information about the area's local climate in the past. This is how a cross section of a tree looks like. It has many rings. The rings form a different structure. When the climate is cold and dry, the rings grow thinner. Can you see here? This is the distance is less between here. When the climate is warm and wet, the rings grow wider. Can you see? Now it is distance is more than this. The technique for calculating the age of the tree is called dendrochronology. The age of the tree can be determined in many ways. First one, determine the circumference of the tree and calculate the diameter and get the growth factor of the tree. The formula is diameter into growth factor of the tree. For example, if the age of the tree is 10 and the growth factor of the oak tree is 4.5, then the age of the tree is 10 into 4.5 is equal to 45 years. The tree rings can also be counted. The tree rings can also be counted by the number of the rings in the stem. Here are 12 rings. So the age of this tree is approximately 12 years. You should not cut the tree. Instead, you can drill a hole in the stem and take the cut piece out and it will have the rings. Both the techniques are required to calculate the tropical age of the tree. Do you also know the oldest age of the tree on this planet is 9,550 years? Thank you.